Imagine if all downtown Hood River had to offer was right at your front doorstep. With a taste of urban living being close to shopping, restaurants, breweries, but with the feel of a small town life. The downtown Hood River area features historic charm combined with modern luxury and features panoramic views of the Columbia River and Mount Adams. Welcome to downtown Hood River. Today I am standing in front of the most desirable townhome project in Hood River. What makes this project so desirable is the fact that it is located downtown Hood River. It's commercially zoned, which allows for short-term rentals. It's got a modern luxury design, and there hasn't been a sale in this project since its original occupancy in 2020. What my clients love about living downtown Hood River is being able to wake up on a crisp fall morning, head down to Doppio for a cup of coffee, take their dogs for a stroll on the library lawn, or be able to meet up with friends for a last-minute dinner downtown. I cannot wait to give you a tour of my latest listing at 711 Oak Street in downtown Hood River. One of the things I love about this home is that the primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom are located at entry level for convenience and accessibility. The spacious primary bedroom features panoramic views of the Columbia River, has a private deck for sitting outside and enjoying your morning cup of coffee or winding down with a glass of wine in the evening. The lower level of this home features 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and access to Oak Street, making your downtown shopping needs a breeze. And now for the showstopper of the tour, the upstairs. This is not just any upstairs. This upper level features panoramic views of the Columbia River, an open concept living space, an additional bedroom and bathroom, and a modern and luxurious kitchen. Just as if this home couldn't get any better, you walk out of the living space onto your expansive patio, which overlooks the Columbia River, where you can watch kiteboarders, you can watch the Hood River 4th of July fireworks, and you can entertain your family and friends. So if you've been looking for the perfect place to call home, downtown Hood River, where you can earn additional income through short-term rental, you can have easy access to downtown, all while living with modern luxury, this just might be the one for you.